Imagine you're in the middle of something important, and your laptop screen suddenly freezes. The cursor won't move, and your heart sinks. Before you panic, there are a few simple tricks to bring your device back to life. First, try the hidden unfreeze shortcut. Press the Windows key plus Control, Shift, and B simultaneously. You'll hear a beep and the screen will blink, forcing your graphics driver to refresh. If that fails, try the classic Control, Alt, and Delete. Even when a system seems locked, this command often still works. Navigate to the power icon and select Restart to let your laptop close processes properly. When software shortcuts fail, you need a hard reset. Press and hold the physical power button for a full 15 seconds. Don't let go too early, as a short press only triggers sleep mode. You must hold it until the lights go out and the fans stop. If your screen is still black after a restart, you might have trapped static electricity. Unplug your charger and any USB devices, then hold the power button for a full minute. This clears the motherboard and often wakes up a device that seems dead. Finally, if nothing works, check your brightness keys or plug into an external monitor to see if your internal display cable has failed. Most of the time, your files are safe. The system just needs a firm nudge to get moving again.